How to add custom thumbnail for your YouTube short videos. You cannot find any thumbnail edit option in this YouTube Studio app. We can't add a custom thumbnail for shorts when using a computer or YouTube Studio to upload or edit your shorts. Therefore, you can use this normal YouTube application. Open, then click on your YouTube channel, then view channel, then go to short videos, select your shorts and click on three dots, then click on edit. In here, tap the pencil icon to change the thumbnail as you like. Then you can select a frame. After you select thumbnail, then click this right button and tap on save button to add custom thumbnail. You can edit, draft or published or any type of short videos thumbnail using these applications only. Thank you.